Welcome to Cook Plants and Decor. Today with a special breakfast. Dress up your Valentine morning with these sweet heart-shaped sandwiches filled with chocolate and coconut. Now beat together the following ingredients: 2 eggs, half cup of milk, brown sugar, vanilla, and cinnamon. In another bowl, let's stir together brown sugar and cinnamon. Now, using a heart-shaped cutter, cut shapes out of each slice of bread. The filling will be chocolate. I'm using Nutella and coconut flakes. Apply a mixture to the edges. Now place the second layer of the bread on top of it, and with a fork, press the edges to seal the 2 pieces of bread. In a large non-stick pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Dip sandwiches in egg mixture, coating both sides. Add the sandwiches to the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown. When it's done, add the brown sugar mixture, turn into a coat. Keep it warm and serve warm. Serve with melted chocolate on top. For another special touch, add some heart-shaped strawberries. This is a sweet treat for Valentine's Day. It's beautiful and also delicious. But let's try something else now. Let's prepare another idea for breakfast for Valentine's Day. Stay tuned.